Something bite my worm off. So we just caught that walleye. We just had a little pink jig on with a white twister and a worm. Just letting it drift across the bottom, and he just picked it up and took off with it. So we're gonna try to see what else we can catch. Good evening, just got back from Waterloo. Hooked up the boat so I can get ready to go to Clear Lake tomorrow. I think that's where I'm gonna go. Haven't 100% decided. Haven't had any interest of people wanting to go along, so I'll be by myself again, but who cares? A bad day of fishing is better than a good day at work, but just need a little bit of fishing therapy. And didn't shoot an intro to this video today because I just had got the horse trimmed up, threw everything in the truck, went and fished in town for a little bit, and then I ended up going down to Waterloo, visiting with family, stopping at the real estate office, getting the open house signs up for Sunday, and getting the boat all set up, putting my mom's Christmas decorations away for her, and then came home and just got done getting the boat ready to go. So I am ready to go fishing tomorrow. Today was a great day. Ended up catching 3 fish. 2 were carp. I didn't get the one on land. I lost him right on top of the water. I could see he was a carp, which didn't really bother me that I lost him. And then I caught 1 walleye, which it was really fun. I enjoyed it. To an extent, I don't care what I catch as long as I get out and can go fishing for a little bit and just enjoy Mother Nature and have fun. So I really don't know what else to talk about in this vlog. It's going to be kind of a short vlog, I think. And short, sweet, to the point sometimes is the best one. But all in all, a great day. And I am ready for tomorrow. I want to get a little bit of redemption up there if I go up to Clear Lake and try to catch some fish. Last time I got skunked. I'm hoping that doesn't happen tomorrow. Looking at the reports from some guide services, it looks like the bite is on. So hopefully once I get some minnows, once I get up there, I can catch some fish. And hopefully you guys will be there to see it. So I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, I can, and we will catch you guys tomorrow.